Introduction to Saramoly tools. Today we are going to introduce the Saramoly vacuum cooling system refill kit, a professional tool designed to make coolant replacement faster, cleaner, and more efficient. In conventional coolant replacement, technicians usually pour coolant directly into the radiator or reservoir and then run the engine repeatedly to release trapped air bubbles. This process can be time-consuming and inefficient, often requiring multiple bleeding cycles. If air remains trapped inside the system, it can create airlocks, which restrict coolant flow and may lead to engine overheating or unstable temperature control. The Saramoly vacuum cooling system refill kit solves this problem by preventing air flowing along the cooling in the cooling system. By using compressed air, the tool first evacuates air out of the system and while also remove old coolant from the system. Once the vacuum is established, we will need to switch the hose and introduce new coolant into the system, ensuring fast, bubble-free, and complete filling without repeated bleeding. This method significantly improves service efficiency while protecting the engine cooling system. The built-in pressure gauge allows users to monitor the vacuum level in real time for safer and more precise operation. Equipped with 4 universal adapter sizes, the tool is compatible with most radiator and coolant reservoir openings, making sure all type of car is compatible with the tool, providing a professional solution for the mechanic.